The Endura wall system is comprised of three primary components: a CMU or concrete masonry unit, 2 layers of polystyrene inserts, and surface bonding. Each component adds unique benefits, thermodynamics being the most important element of the block. Even though most people focus on the insulation itself, which in fact does perform an important function inside each of our blocks, Endura is also solid concrete or mass, which multiplies the thermodynamic benefits. Endura block is designed so that it has no direct thermal path. The block is made of solid concrete mass, a very important element of the functioning of any thermal system. Without a direct thermal path through the block, only an indirect thermal path of heat builds up in the outer wall before it can continue moving through the block. The existence of the webbing, which is a constriction in the construction of the block, like a clamp to a hose, forces the thermals to build up in the outside reservoir, building enough pressure to push it into the middle. At that point, those thermals have to find the smaller 2 offset connecting points, which are also constricted with this webbing, in order for it to get to the final inside of the wall. Because of an 8-hour thermal delay, as the temperature changes throughout the course of the day, our block dramatically slows the transfer of temperatures. What starts off being cooler warms slowly. Then it begins to recede or retract from the block. That actually allows the middle wall to become a point of equilibrium in the middle of the wall, which creates 2 thermal flywheels. The result? Constant temperatures on the inside and outside of the wall. The benefit is that it makes it easier to radiate back into the room heat or cool air, avoiding fluctuating temperatures, maintaining a constant environment, and significantly saving on utility bills. Remember that the wall is a composite of 3 components: a CMU, which creates 3 layers of mass, 2 layers of polystyrene insulation sealed and interlocked inside the block, which in conjunction with no mortar prevents air or thermals from passing through or between the block, and then a layer on both sides attached to the block, the surface bonding, which creates an absolutely airtight and waterproof wall on both sides, is also covered with a final color coat. The final result is the Endura wall system, a superior wall system to any other on the market.